Good morning, everyone. My name is Michael Angelo B. Manalo, computer technician in our company. The topic I'm going to discuss to you is about the importance of computer hardware services in our business market. Let me define first what is computer hardware services. Computer is gadget used in our daily life, whether in business industry or in education. Hardwares. Hardwares are hardwares are tools, spare parts, components of a computer. Services, job or work done whether in assembling or disassembling computer. And we communicate people in an online communication real-time conference, collaborative among business associates in different parts of the world, and in an online classes. Business transactions that used to take days or even weeks can now be completed within minutes of virtual collaboration using Google Meet and Zoom. Even before pandemic, we already use computer, but the demand now is much greater. People around the world are using computer. That's why computers are exposed 8 hours a day or 5 to 6 days a week. The possibility to happen computers might experience damage or some parts of need repairment and maintenance of or replacement of evaporation. Soil condenser, shell and tube robot system will upgrade programmers and others. If this happened, we need the services of the computer technician. They are the one who can easily identify what is the real problem of computer. Computer hardware services in the market are important because the computer technician are the one who assemble and fix computer before it goes to market. They are the one who disassemble it when it needs repair, reformat, upgrading and maintenance. In assembling and disassembling computer, you need the following tools and spare parts of the computer. Tools needed are screw, long nose, and small cap for the small parts of the computer. Spare parts of the computer are casing, CPU, motherboard, socket type, plate. To assemble computer, you must identify all of the different parts. In assembling, it is important that part is the first to put in the casing of computer. Here are the steps to follow in disassembling computer. 1. We must look first the power supply, check the wire for safetyness. 2. Put the central processing unit CPU in one place. 3. Next, fix the small plate on one side of the casing using screw 4. After that, put the motherboard in one side of the big plate. Be sure to screw it properly. The motherboard consists of power clip, front USB label, front audio, front panel, and power switch. The power switch plays in front of panel and its color are orange and white. 5. Followed by putting the hard drive in the casing and screw it properly. Finally, connect the hard drive to motherboard. Be sure it has random access. Ready for testing? The disassembling method is vice versa of assembling procedure. Okay. I forgot this. And I would like to thank my mom, ICT teacher, Ma'am Gabriela Naku, for this privilege. Thank you.